Yeah.
Billy have 10 sheep. All but 7 dead. How much left?
Alright, you see Billy what I know about. I'm a virgin and I'm a DJ. I'm not raise goat, not sheep, not anything. I be a ganja implant and smoke.
Yeah, peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel. Alright, I know.
Yo, you wanna?
Hold on.
You wanna?
What on?
I'm me a take over today.
Yeah, take over.
I'm me a take over today.
People Buhn take over.
Yeah. And you don't know people today in HighGate St. Mary.
Yeah.
Episode 19.
Yeah.
And as Jnel always say, play something nice and things. So you know?
We can't wait for it.
We can't wait for it. We can't wait for it. Hold on. First thing, boss, give me a name.
Brandon Lewis.
Alright then, Josie, right now I get town. Yeah, Josie then call me in the street, you see me?
Feel my name, you know, Jelly Man.
Well, a Jatty them call me, you know.
Alright, Jatty.
Wicked slippers them on the inside, so you know, see it.
Wicked slippers.
Yeah, man, see them that talk.
Alright, Jatty.
Carlos.
Carlos.
Yeah.
Sonny Dan. Michael. Alin.
My name is Junior.
Amanda. Jamaica.
No, see, Daniel my name though.
Daniel, where people them know in the street?
Don't know Alka. Is it?
As in alkaline?
Yeah, man.
People, today we're there with alkaline. You know? Young.
Lord.
Oh, mad.
Cardella.
Rashid.
Me, a cat, then call me in a pasta cat.
What a cat.
Yeah, man. Gangster. Me, anyone say when I'm virgin, give me my climb one star apple tree and me a yoke though. And she want to stir up like me wouldn't give him a young one cat can go so far and she and he want to go and tap me and I start fling off time and every man start laugh. And she come not like in my friend and just stuck it.
Oh, my name is Jerky.
Jerky.
The girl them pan turkey.
What?
Jerky, girl and pan turkey.
Yeah.
I ask you this now. How can you drop an egg on a concrete floor without cracking it?
You know, see, I egg you do. You know, see, I egg set up a way where the little oval shape there at the top. The more harder, you know. But me not, we broke same way still, but the harder if we broke them way there, you know.
Where is that?
How can you drop an egg on a concrete floor without cracking it?
Well, to me, the concrete floor can't crack. And the egg will move for crack. But the end idea is still, I concrete that talk about, but the end idea is still, me just say, yo, it a go on like more heavy duty sitting for crack a concrete. I tell you, you understand? So if you even drop a stillers pan a concrete, it will move for crack. Stillers.
How can you drop an egg on a concrete floor
Without cracking it.
without cracking it? Why, me can't, me not have the answer for that one, trust me.
Well, you're going to have to go wrap up that in some paper or something like that.
You say I have to go wrap up it.
Yeah, you'll drop it right now, bro.
Oh, you drop an egg.
Why? It's a 50-50 chance.
It's a 50-50 chance.
Yeah.
That's the answer.
Yeah.
Get bored of one. I want to have me away.
Think about it, man.
I don't know, you know.
See if I go follow him.
You want me to know either. One day.
You can't drop it on the concrete floor without cracking it. It have to crack. It a go broke.
The shell is soft, so it have to break.
But if you drop an egg on a concrete floor, it must break.
Move from here, son of boss.
Yeah, some of that boy Chinaman man can.
You ready now?
Yeah, what you say? Oh, you drop a head.
Yeah.
That one they beat me.
He beat you?
Yeah.
What can I drop an egg on a concrete floor without cracking it? Yeah. Put it in a container.
Smoke it in a vinegar.
What you say, soak it in a vinegar?
Mm-hmm.
Man, I follow you, follow him.
I don't follow, man. I'm a lecturer.
Okay, you can't crack the concrete. Concrete more tough.
You see that? You're right, man. So next question now. What has only one eye, but can't see nothing at all?
One eye and can't see nothing at all. What have one eye and can't see nothing at all? What's a blind man?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit.
Legal.
Me no want you to tell me answer, you know.
One eye and can't see nothing at all. So what now? I can't see.
Wait, you give up?
Yeah, me give
You
up.
give up?
Legal. Legal. I know that's legal.
The one they can't see.
Nigga. Yeah, nigga. Man, me say I follow you up. Alright, alright.
Boy, a needle, you know. I know have an eye and can't see. A needle, man.
What eye? One eye. One eye. I'm not sure about that one. Can't say. Listen, not sure.
Never no use that every day, man. Yeah, I'm sure.
Me think you did that go get. Me think
I
you did that
need
go
the
get
man. They
over there.
use that every day.
Just, the man just tell you, man. No nigga.
I want niggle at my lad, man. Me grew up a Sericus from me a baby, you know, my lad.
Respect me.
That's something that come on to me, man.
Yeah, see no nigga.
Well, no patu.
Oh, chest.
Patu can't Patu.
Patu have one eye. So next question now.
Yeah.
Bill have 10 sheep. All but 7 died. How many sheep are left?
All but 7 died. All but 7 died.
How many leave?
What? Sheep. Well, you want to say. But I don't no sheep left, man.
3.
3.
Yeah.
I die. But 7 leave. Well, I don't know what I want. I mean, I get it. I want to kind of, twist me up.
You have 10 sheep and 10 die.
Bill have 10 sheep. All but 7 died. How much left?
How much 3 ever 10 and 7 dead.
How you get that?
Multiplications dying, man. Addition and them way there.
All of them but 7 died. No left. You know, see everything dead. You say all dead, you know. You say all.
Ready? Well, I ask the question again. Billy have 10 sheep. All but 7 died. How much left?
All but 7 died. Me like try to catch your question straight, and you say all but 7 died.
How much sheep left? Alive?
None left alive.
10. 10.
All of them.
I follow and follow each other.
All of them. All but 7 died. All.
3 leave, man. 4.
I don't know. That question is on.
No, man, in the son away, man. I'm not asking.
All of them dead.
How comes?
Can you say Billy have 10 sheep, but all died?
All except 7.
All except 7.
So, alright, ready? Billy have 10 sheep. All but 7 died. How much is left?
All of them still dead.
No, all of them leave. All of them leave.
Leave? Gone where? Where them leave gone? Alright. All but 7 died. How much is left?
None leave. What you say? I have 7 boards and all dead?
All but 7 died. How much is left?
You don't see none left.
0.
Where you say Billy have 10 sheep.
All but 7 died. How much left?
All but 7 die. The 3 left, man.
Alive.
Everything dead and 7 left.
Billy have 10 sheep. All but 7 dead. How much left?
Alright, you see Billy what I know about? I'm a virgin and I'm a DJ. I'm not raise goat, not sheep, not anything. I be a ganja and plant and smoke. So Billy have everything when I want to write already.
Here what I want you to know. Forget that Billy there. John, you see? Of 10 goat, all but 7 died. How much left?
Then if all of them dead, I have 7 left. That means that all of them can't dead. I must 3 dead and 7 left alive. A fool idiot question that. John go there alright on a gully road.
It's not so the question go. Me have 26 sheep. And me give away one how much left.
I me ask the question still.
But you don't ask it right because me know the question where you ask.
No man, that's my question. Me ask you man.
But me know the question where him ask me, but me know it in a different way.
So give me answer for my question.
Alright, what you say now?
Bill have 10 sheep, all but 7 died. How much left?
Bill care sheep.
Alright. Me ask you again. Bill have 10 sheep.
Bill?
Yes.
But Bill care sheep.
Yeah, you don't know your boy Buhn. Thanks for watching a new episode of The Questions, episode 19. You get to me say it was a great look in HighGate St. Mary. And today, me I tell you say, the people them did fun. Me like how the people them have vibes. You see me? Please, what I want to know for do, like, share and also subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified. You see me? Follow me on Instagram, Buhn_reaction. You get to me I say, and I'm out.